My name is Les. We're here showing technical in Jacksonville, Florida. Right here, we have a stick welder. I'm going to give a brief overview of the safety features and so right here we have our stick welder. Lincoln Electric. The amperage goes from 40 amps to 225 amps. The type of amperage depends on the type of stick you use, how big the stick is, how much amperage it takes to melt it down. So, where the name stick welder comes from is you have your handle right here, and it's an actual stick of metal and flux that you weld with. So, the type of amperage here, I have two size sticks. So I have a 6011, and then I also have a 7018. So, as you can see from the size comparison, the 6011 is considerably smaller. So, I'm sure you're wondering what 60, 70, 1, 8, and 11 mean. Well, the 60 in 6011 stands for the tensile strength, and 70 and 7018 stands for the tensile strength. So, the first two numbers are the tensile strength. Both of the sticks have a 1. So the ones, they stand for the positions at which you can weld. So 1 is the multiple of the most positions. So you can weld vertical, horizontal, overhead, and you shouldn't have a problem. And the 1 and the 8 at the very end, those stand for the type of flux. So whenever you have a different type of number, it depends on the type of flux and can produce a different type of slag weld or cleaner weld, whatever your arc weld is. So basic use, you always want to have your welder grounded out to where you're working. So if you're working on this table, you can have your ground through it, and it connects through the piece of metal. So whenever you start, welding, you strike it, get it started, and once it's started, then you create your beads, however you prefer. Then you'll get something that looks like this. And then you knock the slack. Thanks for watching my video on the stick welder.